Lemonway offers a flexible and transparent pricing model designed to meet the needs of businesses handling online payments. Their structure is built to support marketplaces, crowdfunding platforms, and fintech companies, providing a fully regulated solution under European financial standards. Understanding Lemonway's pricing model is crucial for companies that want to scale efficiently while maintaining compliance. At the core of Lemonway's pricing is a combination of setup fees, transactional fees, and optional monthly subscriptions depending on your business requirements. For small to medium marketplaces, the initial setup fee is typically around $1,000. This fee covers account integration, KYC onboarding capabilities, and access to Lemonway's API, allowing businesses to start processing payments securely. Larger platforms may negotiate customized pricing based on transaction volume and specific technical needs. Transaction fees are structured as a percentage of each payment, which can range from 1.4% to 2.9% per transaction. This percentage depends on factors like payment method, currency, and whether the funds are processed as domestic or cross-border payments. In addition to the percentage fee, there is often a fixed per transaction charge, usually around 25 cents, which ensures the processing cost is covered regardless of transaction size. For businesses requiring advanced features, Lemonway offers optional monthly subscriptions. These plans range from $100 to $500 per month, providing premium tools such as instant payouts, multi-currency wallets, recurring payments, and enhanced reporting dashboards. Companies handling high volumes of transactions can benefit from discounted rates and volume-based negotiations to lower overall costs. Lemonway also emphasizes transparency and regulatory compliance. All accounts are secured under European e-money regulations, with full KYC and AML procedures included. This ensures businesses can operate safely without worrying about hidden fees or legal complications. Overall, Lemonway's pricing model balances simplicity with flexibility. By combining setup costs, per transaction fees, and optional subscription plans, it offers a scalable solution that aligns with different business sizes and payment volumes. Businesses looking for a reliable, EU-regulated payment provider will find Lemonway's pricing transparent, competitive, and adaptable to growth.